The Shillong Heart Clinic welcomes Dr. Amethyst Bauman, consultant interventional cardiologist, formerly of Medanta, the Medicity. From preventive care to advanced cardiac procedures, your heart is in safe hands. Book now at 9863050899.
Jingïalang Kynhun Myntri ke Sarkar MDA2 hak arp saudrik rumpang arja Rio. Kala menjuri ke Indian Institute of Public Health Shillong Mail arja Rio ban Kyntiew ke Indian Institute of Public Health IIPH Shillong shaka Kyrdan State University. The Kyrdan State University kani ke cakap pulie kan yobor ban I degree shi kena pulie hak lain ke kwat ke khia ka chimpang klan ba Kyntiew ke jing pulie hak ke lain. Nolor kani la menjur ban penjalan shishu ke lease agreement ba Orange Roots Restaurant hariat nongkli sora na ka mental life house nam ka jing menjur ban penbet penbiang ke eco resort nongklau ba ka jing menjur ke Meghalaya state policy for promotion of Anganwadi workers to supervisors.
The cabinet has have approved to bring the Indian Institute of Public Health Shillong Bill 2026 as the state university. That is number one. Number two is amendment to the extension of lease agreement for restaurant at Riyadh Right Nongkle Sora, which is I think all of you know Orange Route, known by the name Orange Route, for a period of 30 years, and restructuring of lease rental payment on PPP model. That is the second. The third is the approval for NOC of furnishing, operation and maintenance of the Eco Resort Nongklau, expansion of infrastructure. And fourth and the last one is Meghalaya state policy for promotion of Anganwadi worker to supervisor. Actually regarding the Indian Institute of Public Health. So as you know that public health has become very important in today's time, especially with the recent incidents which happened, especially to the unfortunate incident which happened to our late MP, Dr. Ricky Sunkon. So we thought that it is very important, and at the same time this institute is focused on research. So it is very important to have people who do research, especially in terms of epidemiology and other disease and all. So that's why the government has approved that will to make this Indian Institute of Public Health as a state university.
Indian Institute of Public Health is the only institute public health in northeastern region. So by granting the status of university, the university can actually, basically the IIPH can actually give the degrees to the public health, graduates and scholars. At the same time, it will be the, in fact, this will be a kind of a important institution for the whole northeast, because it can really build the public health cadre that is required for the not only for the state, for the whole northeastern region. That's the capacity that it has. And second thing is that, like, in fact, so far we have got in Gandhinagar one Indian Institute of Public Health Gandhinagar. It has been it has a university status recognition, and we are actually, again, we are the in the entire northeastern region, we are actually providing that one, because this was, as you rightly said, it has been working very well for the last 10-11 years and in a very self-sustaining basis. So it's more of a research university which contributes a lot of trainings and a lot of data, so that, like, we can really guide the healthcare functionaries how actually we can take public health actions, not only the medical related things, but also the public health related things. For example, last year, they have trained a lot of people on CPR, let's say, such kind of things, like, understanding vaccine hesitancy, why vaccine hesitancy is there, how can we actually address the root causes of vaccine hesitancy, how can we remove that one. Similarly, how can we actually improve the more, positive behavioral healthcare, intervention. So like that, it basically, the idea of university is that it can actually it can in fact build a very good workforce. That is, in fact, it also can help the state government in terms of public health trainings, so that our response to healthcare, like in situations like COVID, our response would be much stronger and much better.
So is it a private university?
No, it's a state university, but it will function on self-sustaining basis, like the way it has been functioning now.
And in short, for your kind information, why we have to bring it from the government as well, that because in order for this institute to be able to give certificate, to certify, it has to come as a state university.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.